Going in for a short climb with a vertical roll. Left thrust differing about 60%. Gunning it at 100%, with a right thrust differing at about 40%. Hitting a loop and give it just a little of right turn with a gradual differential thrust. I'm now in mode B. Back to mode A. Single beep indicates low rudder or mode A. Nice tight turns with that differential thrust. 1 roll, 2 rolls, 3 rolls. Fucking yeah. Loop it. This right turn is all differential thrust, about 25%. Going to use thrust diff at about 70%. Bro, dang thing turns on a dime. It's pretty nimble. It has enough power for a camera and to get out of tight squeezes. But this portion is the most awesomeness. Vertical climb. Cut throttle. Fall, baby, fall. And now, flick a switch and hit it. Would you look at that? Seems I need a bit of trim. Dive bomb. Roll it. Throttle up. Climb. Cruising now. Throttle down to about 30%. Rolling at super low throttle and airspeed. I love this BM20. Wow, even such a slower pass with a roll. I'm so impressed by the BM series planes. This plane is so cool. Pocket buddies. This lil beast gets a fistful of pocket lint. The BM20 is a very nice plane to fly. Super fun, stress-free, and crash-forgiving. Such satisfaction.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and thumbs up to like it.